Hi, this is Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning as one. Welcome to my channel. This week is going to be on pizza theme. I'm going to try to make different pizzas throughout the week using different crust or bread. Everyone loves pizza, and so do I. It's a great snack, it's great for kids, it's great anytime. So let's take this journey, and I'm going to experiment with different pizzas, like I said. I just got a hold of this Brooklyn bread. This is the bistro buns, potato, but you can see the nice quality of them. So I'm going to take these, and I'm going to experiment with them with pizza and even hamburgers. So let's take this journey together. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, here's that, those buns. So they would be really good for, burgers or sandwiches, or, to make mini pizzas. So, let me give this a try, and, we'll try to make, a few, pizzas out of this. This is, Wednesday's upload, and like I said, it's going to be pizza themed for a couple days, maybe a week. I want to try different recipes and see where we can go with this. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, here's those bistro things. You can see how they're nicely toasted. And you basically could do many things with these. If you wanted to, you don't have to use the side. You could put butter on this and then put it on your pan and then build a pizza on top of this. But there's many different variations of doing this. So I'm going to actually do this side. So I'm going to build the pizza sauce on here, then the cheese, and put the pepperoni. So for this recipe, I got pizza sauce, pizza cheese. This pizza blend is really good. It makes pizza even better. It melts good, and I have some pepperoni. So we're going to start by putting our pizza sauce down. Alright, Facebook and YouTube. You see all those nicks and crevices like English muffins? Just take your spoon with your pizza sauce and just evenly spread this out. So spread this out to the amount that you want, and then we'll just put the cheese on top. Alright, so we have the pizza sauce down there. You don't have to worry about covering every inch. Like when you warm that, it'll all seep into the bread. So next we're just going to take the pizza blend, and we're going to put that on the flatbreads, and we're almost there. Alright, Facebook and YouTube. So like I said, just put that cheese on there. It all depends on your likes. If you're a person that likes extra cheese, put a lot on there. If you don't like a lot, just put on the amount you want. So we're going to do that next. And we're just going to top it with pepperoni. If you don't want to top it with pepperoni, you could use the topping that you want. But these are easy pizzas you can make. Actually, if you wanted to, you could flip them on top of each other and make pizza sandwiches. They would be great. Alright, so we're back YouTube and Facebook. So we're going to take this pepperoni and just place that down there. I want to make two of them without pepperoni. So we'll have plain one and one with pepperoni. But like I said, you could you could put any toppings you want on there. But making pizza at home is fun. It's great for the kids, and it's great for a snack. Like I said, you could take these now and flip them on top of each other and cook them together. So, like I said, the possibilities are endless. Like, you can do so much stuff at home just by using your imagination. So, now we're just going to put these in the pan. And if you want, you could coat it with a light spray of canola or olive oil. And we're going to put the cover on, and we're just going to melt this. And if you weren't using a camera or going step by step, I really think this could be done in like 5 minutes. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, you can see I transferred the mini pizzas to the pan. And you know what? This would make a great game day recipe. Late night with your kids, with your girlfriend or spouse, just enjoying a movie. So now we're gonna cover this, and we're gonna just use the steam and heat to melt the cheese. If you want it, you could put it in the oven. It's all up to you. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, I have them in the pan with the cover on top. I'm going to use the steam and heat to melt that cheese and to warm that sauce where it goes through the bread. But just to show you again, this Brooklyn bread, if you can get a hold of it, I live in the on the East Coast, so I can get it since I live close to New York. But I'm not sure if you can get into your area, but look at that bread. So that would make great breakfast stuff. It would make good hamburgers. You can make hot dog sandwiches. Like the options are unlimited. So that's what that definitely looks like. Look at the color. But that's Brooklyn bread. They also make a pizza crust, and I'll show you that throughout the week or next week. But let's get started. This will only take a couple minutes. I mean, actually, this will, yeah, only take a minute or so. If you wanted to, you could throw it in the microwave, and like I said, do it 20 seconds at a time. Alright, so you can see the steam already, and this is how you make little miniature flatbread pizzas. There's your extra cheese, there's your normal cheese, and here's your pepperoni. So you're just going to want to plate that, and you're set. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, so there's your little miniature pizzas on flatbread. Look at them. So they're nice and tender. You got the pepperoni, extra cheese. It might not look pretty, but it tastes good. Another pepperoni, and you got your regular cheese. So this is how you make quick mini pizzas, flatbread, for game day or for snacks. If you wanted to, you could flip this over, like I said, and make a pizza sandwich. But you be safe. This is your Wednesday upload. Like I said, it's going to be pizza week, and see you again Friday. Be safe. Dansoy out. Actually, Facebook and YouTube, I'm back. I just wanted to give you the other perspective. If you turn these into pepperoni and cheese sandwiches, look. These actually are pretty good. Maybe you don't want to keep them like that. Maybe you just want to make little pizza sandwiches out of these. But and then you have the golden crust on both sides. So it actually, you can see, makes for a good sandwich. So do whatever's best for you, but these actually are pretty good this way too. So see you Friday. Peace.